is what we're calling Aqua Girl on the show. No, that's really not teal. we have a pale blue, like a pastel blue, and then we have a lime green that's kind of a pastel color, and then I think this is what was being called teal, but it's really not teal, as you can see. It's not the teal I know, anyway. Is it? Is it? Is it, Punky? Oh, yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Did I interrupt lunch? I thought you were sleeping. I didn't know you were still eating. Okay. Okay. So see, this is one of the smaller ones, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this little guy. He is quite the mover. And how about Mr. Blue? Mr. Blue. You've been down and dirty in the wood chips? Have you been down and dirty in the wood chips? Yeah, have you? I think you have. I think you have. What are you doing? Mr. Blue, are we going to have a conversation today? Yeah? Are we going to have a conversation? I enjoyed our conversation the other day. Do you remember? Do you remember? You kept singing. Well, I don't think Blue has anything to say today, so... Oh, I agree with you there. Thank you, Happy Puppy. I agree 100%. Gucci's smarter than any one of those creatures. She's a smart girl. She's one smart girl. Yep. Yep. Mr. Blue says, oh, don't bother me with such trivial talk. I totally agree. I wish Gucci was getting their paychecks. Me too. Moi aussi. That would be nice. That would be very nice. And ECAD would have no more worries about money. And that would be wonderful. Mr. Blue's Blues Clues, that's right. And it's usually Blue that's singing. I think he's decided to be the sentinel. Are you going to sing again today? Mr. Blue? Mr. Blue has nothing to say today. Allie, you know, if you could be in a more inconvenient spot, I'd be impressed. You're right where I need to be. with my feet so that I can exchange puppies. Okay, Mr. Blue. You can go down here with Miss Scarlet.